welcome you with a warm and green greeting to the 2026 Solid Waste Management Multi-Sectoral Conversions. We gather not only to reflect, but to reignite our commitment for a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future.
Isang sistemang hindi nagtatapos sa pagtatapon, kundi nagsisimula sa muling pagtingin sa basura bilang isang resource na may potential na magbigay na economic value, environmental benefit, at social impact.
Good morning, Senator Camille Villar. Welcome to the 2026 Solid Waste Management Multi-Sectoral Convergence.
I have seen firsthand how critical it is to move beyond fragmented efforts and towards real, sustained convergence. A system that protects our environment, supports our communities, and secures a better future for the next generation.
We strengthen not only the implementation of RA 9003 but also our collective contribution to climate action, sustainable development, and more resilient future for our people.
So tingnan po natin pag in a way sa pagmamahal sa environment. No, yung po ang pinakamaganda. Sabi nga nila, turuan mo ang bata. Dahil pagtanda niya, dala-dala niya yun. Dala-dala po.
Kasi ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, hindi lang problema, but solutions. So at least meron ulit tayong pag-asa ngayon na kaya pa nating tulungan at palakarin muli using 2 feet lamang ang ating environment.
To fully realize and fulfill this mandate, we must also consider the human component. Yung mga tao po na nasa likod nito.
Hindi nawawala ang basura pero napupunta ito sa tamang lugar at may pinaggagamitan.
In minimizing waste, particularly solid waste, is to refuse.
Strengthen our systems and place people at the center of our efforts. We can build a solid waste management framework not only effective, but also equitable and sustainable.